All right. Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back. Yeah, we're just here testing out the audio for the DJI Neo 2 and see what it sounds like. I've heard stories that it might be a little muffled, but who knows? I want to find out for myself. So yeah, I'm hoping it sounds pretty good. But we will be testing out the DJI Mic 2, DJI Mic Mini 2. No, DJI Mic Mini. That's it. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Hopefully, maybe that'll sound a little bit better. But we'll check in the next clip and see what that sounds like. But for now, let's land this thing. All right, we're on. So now we are on the Mic Mini. Does it sound any better? Who knows? Yeah, I noticed the last test I made without the mic, it's pretty bad. Really muffled, doesn't sound all that great. I'm hoping this will sound a little bit better. So check this out, swaying back and forth. This thing's amazing. Alright, let's check the sound out. Let's land this thing. So it turns out the sound is a little bit better than just not having a mic at all. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. I feel like it's still a little bit muffled, but it's clear enough for me. And also, is my voice, am I dubbed? Guys, can you comment below and let me know if I'm dubbed? My voice and the video aligning with what I'm saying? Please let me know. Oh, let's check this out. Okay, so I'm on spotlight mode right now. I'm going to slowly stand up and see what it sounds like when I move a little bit further away. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Mic check, mic check. I'm gonna say yes. Alright. Anyways, let's land this thing. Alright guys, welcome back. Just a very quick recap. My battery's about to die on my phone. I think I have like 10%, so I'm gonna make it quick. Just want to mention again, the connection of audio is good with the Mic Mini and the DJI Neo. The only thing is that I've noticed, besides the connection, is the sound quality. It's not the greatest. It's a little muffled, but it's tolerable. Like, you'll still be able to hear your voice and all that good stuff. So it wasn't really an issue. You'll still be able to hear yourself. It's just not the greatest quality, just to let you guys know. But it's a good option. It's a good feature to have. So it's better than not having it at all. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in purchasing this drone, I have an affiliate link below for the drone and the Mini. I'll list it down there below, and it will really help me out if you guys click that link and purchase it through there, because I'm a small creator, and yeah, I'll get a little cut. So I get a little cut from when you guys buy it off of there. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. My name is DJ Abarca. This is probably this is my second video, so bear with me if this is kind of raw and kind of, I'm not really scripting any of this, so I have bullet points, but I'm still kind of like all over the place. Anyway, thanks again. Please like and subscribe and click that notification below so that you guys know when I post a new video. All right, peace.